In this video, we will see bitter gourd plant growing in 108 days. Before seeding, add normal moisture. Soil is fertilized properly with urea. After seeding, cover it properly with soil and add some water. Keep on watering until 10 days when it starts sprouting. Beautiful leaves are covering the pot. Beautiful tiny plant has emerged after 25 days. Plant is achieving its height gently day by day. Bitter gourds are grown on the vines and heavy in weight, so need supports to grow. So wooden supports are erected so that plants start climbing properly along with that supports. After 30 days, it has taken form of beautiful vine and started spreading its branches. After 40 days, leaflets are emerging. After lapse of 60 days, you can see the most waited moment has come. Finally, bitter gourds are sprouting on the plant. They are spreading all over the plant. Bitter gourds are just perfectly ripe after 3 months of seeding. Its color and size are beautiful. Let's pick one. Thank you very much for watching.